Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy lamb biryani. Okay, this is so quick, so easy, one pan. Alright, let's get on with it. Here I've got around about a tablespoon's worth of butter, or ghee if you have it, and put that straight into a oven-proof fry pan, just like that. Alright, melt that butter down or the ghee down. Okay, and I'm going to add in one large onion, which I have finely diced. That can go straight into our butter or ghee. Alright, we're going to cook that off until it goes a little bit translucent. No real rocket science there, just give it a stir from time to time and you will see the colour change. Really easy to do. Alright, we're going to start adding in some flavours here in a second. We're going to add in about a teaspoon's worth of ground turmeric. And we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons worth of ground coriander and 1.5 teaspoons worth of ground cumin. Alright, put that all straight in just like that. And we're also going to add in around about a tablespoon's worth of grated ginger and the equivalent to 2 cloves of garlic paste, so be about 2 teaspoons ish worth of that. Right, give all of that a quick stir around, fry those little spices off, and it is amazing at how little spice you actually need to make an amazing Indian style dish just like this one. Here I've got 500 grams worth of ground lamb or lamb mince, and I'm just going to chunk that off into our fry pan just like that. Okay, just little chunks. It's just going to make things a little bit quicker, a little bit easier to cook. This dish is so quick and easy to do. Perfect for a Friday night. Right, so just chunk those off, put those straight into your fry pan. Just like that. And we've got that on a sort of medium heat. We want to just get that mince all browned up. So give that a stir and a little bit of a choppy chop from time to time with a wooden spoon. We don't want to damage that non-stick coating on our saucepan or a fry pan, and it's going to take you around about 5 to 7 minutes maybe. Alright, so just keep stirring that around from time to time. Give it a little bit of a break up if the meat seems to be clumping a little bit. Not going to take very long at all, and all those flavors, as you can see, are all starting to develop around that meat. Right, once your lamb mince has, or ground lamb has all been browned and broken apart, we are going to add in some basmati rice, about 500 grams worth. Give all of that a good stir, just like I'm doing right there. It's going to soak up that lamb fat, it's going to soak up that butter, it's going to soak up all of that onion flavor and onion juice, and it's going to start smelling amazing any second now. Alright, so just give that all a good stir, and I'm going to add in 3 cups worth of chicken stock. I'm just using a store-bought salt reduced chicken stock. You can use homemade if you want to, but the store-bought, there's nothing wrong with that at all. So 3 cups of that can go straight in. Right, how easy is this so far? Right, and we're almost getting ready to get to the final leg of this race. Give all of that a good stir through. Make sure all that rice is not clumping, and make sure the rice is all surrounded by that chicken stock, just like that. Really nice and simple, and the smell in the KP's Kingdom kitchen at the moment is absolutely incredible. You would not believe how good this dish actually tastes. Alright, so we've given that a good stir, good dash of salt to taste. Don't forget, I did use a salt reduced stock, so I can afford to go a little bit heavier with a bit of seasoning. Right, and we want to bring that up to a boil, right, a good simmer. Alright, as you can see, all those bubbles in the center there, they're all starting to happen. That's exactly what we want. I'm going to add in around about 1.5 cups worth of frozen peas, which I've actually left out for around about 30 minutes or so they can sort of defrost. They can go straight in. Once we start to see a little bit of bubblage happening again, well, I'm going to put the lid on it and I'm going to walk away. I'm going to come back every now and then, give it a little bit of a stir, and what we want to do, make sure that rice absorbs all of that liquid, and when the rice is tender, which should be around about 30 minutes ish, well, you've got your own lamb biryani. Finish that off with a few cashew nuts straight over the top. Gives you a little bit of extra flavour, a little bit of extra texture. How easy was that to do? Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is amazing flavours, really quick, really easy, one pan. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Nana KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them, whether they're good or bad. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a real quick, easy Indian inspired type dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my lamb biryani and feel really satisfied after it, and I will catch you next time. Bye.